By 2030, the humanoid robot market is projected to soar beyond $15 billion. But the real question is, will these machines simply help us with mundane tasks, or become something far more impactful in society? Humanoid robots have long fascinated humanity. Once confined to the pages of science fiction, they're now stepping into reality, appearing in factories, hospitals, and even inside our homes. But what's next for these human-like machines? Could they become our coworkers, caregivers, or even our companions? Or might they evolve into something we haven't yet imagined? There's a reason humanoid robots capture our imagination like no other machines. For decades, films and literature have painted them as both our saviors and potential threats, from the graceful but deadly Ava in Ex Machina to the relentless Terminator hunting humanity. It's not just entertainment driving this obsession. Psychologists believe our attraction to human-like robots comes from our innate desire to see reflections of ourselves, even in technology. Yet the closer robots come to looking and moving like us, the more we feel unsettled, a phenomenon known as the uncanny valley. This delicate balance between familiarity and discomfort is at the heart of why humanoid robots fascinate and sometimes frighten us. Despite the hype, humanoid robots remain far from matching the versatility of a human being. Their biggest obstacle is mobility. Walking, running, or navigating unpredictable environments is incredibly complex for machines that must balance on two legs. Even small slips can send a humanoid robot crashing to the ground. Another challenge lies in dexterity. Our human hands can tie shoelaces, handle fragile glass, or adjust delicate equipment with ease. For robots, replicating these fine motor skills requires complex engineering, precise sensors, and sophisticated software, technology that's still in development. But beyond physical limitations, humanoid robots face an even tougher frontier: emotional intelligence. Reading human emotions, understanding context, and responding appropriately are tasks at which even advanced AI still stumbles. A robot may recognize a smile, but understanding sarcasm or subtle sadness is far more elusive. Then there's the challenge of human-robot interaction. For people to accept humanoid robots in everyday life, these machines need to communicate naturally, earn trust, and avoid appearing creepy or threatening. Ethical concerns also loom large. Will humanoid robots take human jobs? Could they be misused for surveillance or warfare? The debate is fierce, with opinions ranging from optimism about new jobs to fear of massive unemployment or even robotic militarization. And finally, there's the cost. Building a humanoid robot isn't cheap. Most prototypes cost hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, putting widespread adoption far out of reach for now. These challenges might seem overwhelming, but researchers and tech companies worldwide are pouring billions into solving them. Despite the hurdles, the pace of progress in humanoid robotics is astonishing. One of the biggest drivers is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Advanced algorithms now allow robots to understand spoken language, recognize patterns, and even hold conversations with surprising fluidity. In the realm of computer vision, robots are becoming skilled at recognizing faces, objects, and surroundings. This technology helps them navigate spaces, avoid obstacles, and even interpret social cues, a crucial step for working alongside humans. Meanwhile, Tesla's Optimus robot has captured global headlines. Built with the same philosophy as Tesla cars, Optimus is designed for manufacturing tasks and aims to eventually replace human labor in repetitive, dangerous, or mundane jobs. Equally fascinating is the field of soft robotics. Unlike rigid metal frames, soft robots use flexible materials and artificial muscles, allowing them to handle delicate objects without crushing them. This technology is critical for applications in healthcare, caregiving, and human-robot interaction. Researchers are also working tirelessly on human-robot interaction. New robots can detect emotions from facial expressions, vocal tones, and body language, aiming to respond in ways that feel natural and comforting. Another game-changer is the miniaturization of hardware. Motors, sensors, and batteries are becoming smaller and more efficient, making robots lighter, quieter, and less power-hungry. These advances are helping reduce costs and improve practical usability. Piece by piece, these technologies are bringing humanoid robots closer to becoming helpful partners in our daily lives. One of the most talked about humanoid robots today is Tesla's Optimus, unveiled in 2021. When first introduced, many people thought it was a publicity stunt. But Tesla has continued developing the robot, gradually revealing prototypes that can walk, lift objects, and interact with basic tools. Standing about 5'8" and weighing around 125 pounds, Optimus is designed to mimic human proportions, allowing it to fit seamlessly into spaces built for people. Its goal is to handle repetitive or dangerous tasks in factories, warehouses, and eventually even in homes. Tesla claims that Optimus will be able to carry up to 20 kilograms, walk at 5 miles per hour, and operate for an entire day on a single battery charge. Yet despite impressive demos, there's still skepticism about how quickly it can transition from a controlled stage performance to real-world applications. However, critics warn that these visions might be overly ambitious. Optimus currently moves cautiously and lacks the agility and adaptability humans possess. The gap between hype and practical utility is still significant. So where could humanoid robots go from here? Experts believe we're on the brink of significant changes. In the next 2 to 5 years, humanoid robots are expected to find real commercial use in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and retail. They'll handle repetitive jobs, assist with inventory, and even greet customers. In 5 to 10 years, we might start seeing humanoid robots in more personal roles. Imagine a robot helping elderly patients in hospitals, or serving as a companion for people who live alone. These machines could help with basic care, remind patients to take medication, or simply provide conversation to reduce loneliness. Looking 10 years and beyond, some researchers envision humanoid robots seamlessly integrated into daily life. Robots could become household assistants, helping with chores, childcare, and even providing security. In offices, they might collaborate on tasks, manage equipment, or act as physical avatars for remote workers. Yet there's also a more speculative side to these predictions. Some futurists wonder if we'll see debates over whether advanced robots should have legal rights or personhood. And with AI growing more powerful, the possibility arises of robots developing intelligence that's closer to human reasoning, a concept that sparks both hope and fear. Whether we're ready or not, the next decade will shape how these machines become part of our societies, and perhaps even our identities. The rise of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction, it's unfolding right now. From Tesla's Optimus to the breathtaking agility of Boston Dynamics' Atlas, we're witnessing machines that walk, see, and even understand us, inching closer to becoming an everyday part of life. Technology is evolving fast, and the coming decade could redefine what it means to live and work alongside intelligent machines. In the end, humanoid robots might become our helpers, our coworkers, or perhaps something entirely unexpected,